Hello and welcome to Fade 1982. In today's video, myself and my partner who is hiding behind me, which is the famous Gabrielle, we are just going to be, she's pushing on my back, sharing a few DIY fabrics in today's video that we picked up from a local store. So if that is something you are interested in, please stick around for the rest of this video. Right, Gabby?
Yeah.
Yeah. We are in the bedroom today with me, Gabby. We are actually in today's video going to do a short, quick home decor crafting haul. Where am I looking? Am I not looking in the camera? No, I'm not at all. I'm looking in the video. But in any case, we're going to do a short crafting haul. This is completely impromptu. It was not planned at all. I just happened to find this local craft store in Aden, a fabric store rather. It's a beautiful place. It's called, this is the bag actually, it's called Quilt Lizzie. The name of the business is Quilt Lizzie, and they just opened a couple of months ago, right Gabby?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just happened to go there, and as I have recently updated the bedding in the main master yesterday, and we got these, I don't know if you can see, these striped sheets that are, I think, threshold band. They're extremely comfortable. I wanted to do a custom lumbar pillow, and Gabby actually also found some strawberry fabrics because she wanted to do some pillows for her bedroom as well. So that's what we're going to be working on today, and I just wanted to share quickly some of those fabrics with you guys. Also, if you can tell, here in the main master, beside, I'm just getting comfortable. We in the bed, y'all, so excuse me. But you'll see here, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you'll notice that the cord that was hanging on either side of the wall sconces is gone. And that is because we have now turned them into, let's see, remote control lighting. And all we did, honestly, is, you want to do it?
Yes, when I actually
Okay. All we did was we cut the cord out. My little brother actually came to visit the other day with my mom and helped me with this project. He just basically jumped in and took over. But all we did was cut the cord. He broke the inside apparatus with some tools, and there was a little screw piece. So I took that screw piece where you would usually screw the bulb in and super or hot glued it to the back of the puck light, and we were able to easily screw them in. So that way they're extremely secure, and when we want to change the batteries, we'll be able to do so with ease. So that's not going to be a problem. It's super easy. It's super affordable. And if you're following me at Fade 1982 Home, I explained quickly on how I did that. So if you want information, you can follow me there as well. But let's share a few goodies. So, well, we got some Quilt Lizzie's the other day, and today were Gabby's pillows. So these are just honestly some, you want to hold it, Gabby?
Yeah.
Gabby is going to help me. She's the assistant. These are just some, you can sit right here. Scoot up. It's okay. We'll pick that up later. So these are Gabby's pillows that she picked out, and we are going to be making some pillow covers for these pillows that she's going to put in her room somewhere. She just fell in love with this printed fabric, so I promised her I would make her some pillow covers, and that's one of the projects we're going to be working on today. I keep looking at the screen and not the camera, so if my eyes look crazy, I apologize, y'all. Doing the best I can. The fabrics she chose, let's show them the fabric, Gabby. You want to show them this one? Hold it up. That's Gabby's strawberry fabric, so she picked out that one and this one. So we're going to make some really cute pillow covers, right, Gabby?
Yeah.
For Gabby's bedroom out of these materials here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some pillow covers that don't have a zipper. And maybe if I have time, I'll film that as well. I'm basically going to, you know what? I'm going to make the pillow covers like this. So if you see on this pillow how you can just take the sham out and there's a flap, that's basically what I'm going to do with these pillow covers. So that way, when you're taking them on and off your inserts, or we're doing it for her, it'll be simple, easy. Don't have to worry about sewing on a button or a zipper or any of that. Just going to make the flap, boom, done. But those are Gabby's fabrics that she chose. So we're going to be working on that. And let me scoot up some. This video is a mess, but I'm not looking in the camera. Girl playing light bright in the background. We just all over the place. But y'all know what? This is how we are most of the time. Now, for our lumbar pillows that... I just hit the mic. For our lumbar pillows that I am designing, I have chosen this beautiful... It's actually a moth. It's black and white. The moth is trimmed in gold, and I'm going to try to take a picture of these fabrics too, so you guys can see more of the details, because they may be a little difficult to see in the video. But this is the fabric I chose for the lumbar pillow for our bedroom, so I'm going to do one out of this one to match the more neutral sheets and bring in some of that gold accent like you see on the sconces. And you can't see the fan, but there's some gold brass accents on the fan. And then I have this beautiful, it almost looks like a Art Deco inspired print. That's going to be for the second lumbar pillow. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to custom make the lumbar pillow, which is basically just take basic white fabric, get the fiber filling, and then stuff it. So I'm going to make the custom pillows, custom sizes. I'm going to do the big one. Hold on a second, Gabrielle. I'm going to do the big one in this print, which is the moth print, and I'm going to do the smaller one in this print. So that way, when I'm making the bed, I'm stacking the pillows. The longer one obviously will be stacked first, and then the second one will be stacked right in front. So that's some of the stuff that we are going to be working on, right, Gabby?
Yeah.
That's what we got for the DIY projects. I swear, y'all gonna think this crazy lady don't know how to make a YouTube video. Apologies. But that's what we're working on for the home decor for the house this week. Gabby, if anyone knows me, she's actually still not walking yet. She recently got out of her cast 2 weeks ago. That's why we're being really careful for her, and I'm working part-time from home as much as I can. Can you be quiet for a minute? Okay, thank you. But she is able to stand only for a couple of seconds, and she's back to being able to take a couple of steps as well. So I'm thankful for it, although her recovery since she broke her femur bone is going to take quite a while for her to get her legs back. But she's getting stronger every day, right, Gabby?
Yeah, Mommy.
Yeah. So in any case, if you are interested in seeing the finished project, just leave a comment. I'll do another quick video to share that with you all. And I appreciate sincerely all the support. Appreciate you guys sticking around for me sharing the quick DIY fabric craft haul. And we will talk to you guys later. Say bye, Gabby.
Bye.